Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through permanently fixing the frustrating low streaming bandwidth warning error in Forza Horizon 6 to eliminate sudden world freezing and disappearing road textures. Despite sounding like an internet connectivity glitch, this severe performance hitch is entirely caused by your local system data transfer speeds struggling to load heavy geometry assets fast enough while driving high-speed cars. Your absolute top priority fix is ensuring the massive game file directory is installed directly onto a high-speed solid-state drive or NVMe interface, rather than a slow mechanical hard drive, which regularly bottlenecks under asset loading strain. If moving the storage location doesn't solve it, your graphics hardware processing pipeline is facing a major VRAM and hardware bus bottleneck. Open up your Advanced In-Game Video Options menu, scroll straight down to the Environment Geometry setting, and drop it down to a lower tier to immediately reduce asset pop-in strain on your hardware. Additionally, lower your world shadow quality and turn off memory-heavy ray tracing options to instantly ease the rendering processing overhead. Finally, minimize background overlays like Discord, open your dedicated NVIDIA or AMD control panel layout, set your global power management mode profile to prefer maximum performance, and lock your frame rate boundary manually to stabilize smooth data delivery. Subscribe the channel for more videos.